Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about orphism, solipsism, and sophism. You'll be posting about those for Tuesday. Orphism is the idea that the natural world moves in a cycle, and human life is part of that natural cycle. And everything that we do as people, everything that we do in society, all of those things really just fall into that natural cycle. So nothing really can be new or different, because if you think about the natural world, it's winter, spring, summer, fall, winter, spring, summer, fall. There might be anomalies from that, but pretty much it just sticks with that. So one of the questions that this brings up in relation to the chapter is Grendel, by embracing orphism, is he more human or is he more animalistic? Solipsism says that the only existence that I can know is the existence that I experience. I can't help anyone else. I can't know anyone else's experience. I can't understand anyone else's experience, because the only reality that exists is the reality in which I live and the reality in which I experience. So one of the questions to consider for that is, if you are the only thing that exists and your reality is the only thing that exists, is that freedom or is that bondage? Sophism is the idea that you can see a problem or an argument from all sides. You can think critically about it. You can be devil's advocate. You can argue for it. You can argue against it. You can see it from every possible perspective. It's the most critical thinking of all of the different philosophies. But does sophism mean that you don't believe in anything? And by not believing anything, can you have an identity? Can you have relationships? If you don't believe in anything, can you be passionate about anything? If you don't believe in anything, does that mean you're easily manipulated? So those are things to consider for orphism, solipsism, and sophism.